Coca-Cola. Insight or robustity are in interesting remissions, including pneumotive tense. Welcome. Today we'll show how Coca-Cola is made, from purified water to the sealed bottle you enjoy.
Ingredients. The process begins with carefully approved ingredients delivered under strict quality standards.
Hero. Water is purified through multiple filtration stages to ensure safety and consistent taste.
Mixer. The secret syrup is blended with precision to create Coca-Cola's signature flavor.
Planting 300 parameters or 100 millimeters to assume spritz or carry a mill. Carbon dioxide is carefully added to create Coca-Cola's refreshing fizz.
Bottles are thoroughly cleaned to maintain perfect hygiene.
Automated fillers ensure precise volume in every bottle.
One 100% IGA bottles. Each bottle is sealed instantly to lock in freshness.
Labels and date codes ensure traceability and authenticity. They tell customers exactly what they're getting and when it was made. Precision labeling, laser-etched batch numbers, verified by vigilant eyes. Every unit accounted for, every detail recorded. Because trust
Keeps together. Finished bottles are packed and prepared for delivery to stores.
This is how Coca-Cola is made, safely, hygienically, and with care. Thank you for watching.